Hi, I'm Anna. This text will help you understand English speech better. Subscribe to the channel and listen to English stories every day. You can download phrases from this text for free from the link in the description. Grammar rules and phrases used in the text you can find on my Patreon. It will help you to speak English correctly. Let's move on to our text. Nick and Anna's vacation adventure. Chapter 1. The journey begins. Nick and Anna were very excited. It was summer, and they planned a vacation at the sea. "I need a break," said Nick. "Me too," Anna replied. They decided to go to Greece because they loved sunny beaches, blue skies, and delicious food. On Monday morning, Nick and Anna arrived at the airport. They carried 2 big suitcases, a small backpack, and Anna's red handbag. At the check-in counter, Nick gave their passports to the woman behind the desk. She smiled and said, "Are you flying to Athens?" "Yes," said Nick. "What time is our flight?" "It is at 10:30 a.m., the woman said. "Please be at gate 5 by 10 a.m. Nick and Anna thanked her and walked to the security check. There were many people in line. Anna looked around and said, "Nick, where is my red handbag?" Nick laughed and pointed at her shoulder. "It's right there, Anna." Anna laughed too. "Oh, I am so nervous about the flight." After the security check, they walked to gate 5. They sat on blue chairs and waited for the plane. "Do you want something to eat?" Nick asked. "Yes, please. I want a sandwich and juice," Anna said. Nick bought the food and they ate happily. Finally, the loudspeaker announced, "Flight A125 to Athens is now boarding. Please have your passports and boarding passes ready." Nick and Anna smiled. Their adventure had begun. Chapter 2. Welcome to Greece. The plane landed in Athens at 2 p.m. Nick looked out of the window and saw the bright blue sky. "It's so sunny here," he said. They got off the plane, collected their suitcases, and walked to the taxi stand. A friendly taxi driver said, "Welcome to Athens. Where do you want to go?" "To the Hotel Blue Ocean, please," Anna said. The taxi was yellow, and the driver played Greek music on the radio. "Do you like Greece?" he asked. "Yes, it's beautiful," Anna said. "This is our first time here." At the hotel, the receptionist gave them the key to their room. "Room 204, she said with a smile. "Have a great stay." Nick opened the door, and they saw a big, clean room with a balcony. The walls were white, and the curtains were light blue. "Look, Anna, we can see the sea from here," Nick said. Anna walked to the balcony and smiled. "It's amazing." Chapter 3. A day at the beach. The next morning, Nick and Anna woke up early. They had breakfast at the hotel. Nick ate eggs and toast, and Anna had yogurt with honey. "What do you want to do today?" Nick asked. "I want to go to the beach," Anna said. They packed a bag with towels, sunscreen, and a bottle of water. Anna wore a yellow dress and carried her red handbag. Nick wore blue shorts and a white t-shirt. They walked to the beach, which was only 10 minutes from the hotel. The beach was perfect. The sand was golden and the water was clear and blue. Nick and Anna found 2 chairs under a big umbrella. Nick said, "I want to swim." "Go ahead," Anna said. "I will sit here and read my book." Nick ran into the water. It was cool and refreshing. "Come, Anna, the water is great," he shouted. Anna smiled, put her book down, and joined him. They swam, laughed, and played in the waves. After swimming, they sat on the beach and ate sandwiches. Anna said, "I feel so happy. This is the best vacation ever." Nick nodded. "Yes, It's perfect. Chapter 4. A small problem. On the third day, Nick and Anna decided to visit a small island near Athens. They took a boat tour with other tourists. The boat was white and had a big deck. The guide said, "This island is famous for its old houses and narrow streets. You can walk around and take photos." Nick and Anna loved the island. They walked through the streets, saw beautiful white houses with blue doors, and bought souvenirs. Nick bought a small blue vase, and Anna bought a necklace. But then, something happened. Anna looked at Nick and said, "Nick, where is my red handbag?" Nick looked around. "Oh no, did you leave it on the boat?" Anna felt worried. "All my things are in that bag," Nick said. "Don't worry. Let's go back to the boat and check." When they returned to the boat, the guide was holding Anna's bag. "Is this yours?" he asked. "Yes. Thank you so much," Anna said with a big smile. Chapter 5. A delicious dinner. That evening, Nick and Anna went to a restaurant by the sea. The restaurant was small and cozy, with white tables and chairs. The waiter welcomed them and said, "Would you like to sit outside?" "Yes, please," Nick said. They sat at a table with a view of the sunset. Anna said, "This is so romantic." The waiter brought them a menu. Anna ordered grilled fish and a salad. Nick ordered chicken with rice. They also shared a plate of Greek olives and bread. "The food smells so good," Anna said. When the food arrived, they ate slowly and talked about their day. "I love the sea," Anna said. "I wish we could stay here forever." Nick smiled. "Me too, but we still have 3 more days." After dinner, they had ice cream for dessert. Nick's ice cream was chocolate and Anna's was vanilla. "This is delicious," Nick said. Chapter 6. Saying Goodbye. The week passed quickly. Nick and Anna enjoyed every day of their vacation. They swam, explored, and relaxed on the beach. But soon, it was time to go home. On Sunday morning, they packed their suitcases and checked out of the hotel. The receptionist said, "Did you enjoy your stay?" "Yes, it was wonderful. Thank you," Nick replied. At the airport, Nick and Anna sat in the waiting area. "I will miss Greece," Anna said. "Me too," Nick said. "But we can come back next year." When the plane took off, Anna looked out of the window. The sea sparkled under the sun. "Goodbye, Greece. See you again," she whispered. Back home, Nick and Anna showed their family the photos from their trip. They talked about the beach, the food, and the people. "It was an unforgettable vacation," Anna said. You can find this text, Enki cards, grammar and phrases in the description. See you in the next video.